Don't skip wait for me. The video features a man who arrived at her boyfriend's house with a large suitcase. Little does the boyfriend now that a command is written inside. The video features a man who arrives at her boyfriend's house with a large suitcase.